Welcome back to Job Creations. Latest job update is from Axis Bank and Bandhan Bank. Before starting the video, I request the viewers to kindly subscribe to my channel for latest job updates. Axis Bank is hiring data scientist. Experience required for this position is 4 to 9 years and the salary will be 4,75,000 to 6,50,000. The locations are Kolkata, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Bengaluru, Mumbai. It's a work from home opportunity and the role will be technical content developer. Rules and responsibilities will be the bank generates a vast amount of data like customer data, logs from their financial products, transaction data that can be used in order to support decision making together with unstructured data like social media data and customer emails, etc. As the unstructured data and the technology to process it grows, there is a natural demand to tap the insights from this data. The bank wants to classify customer emails into different issue buckets to act on them quickly. In this project, the candidate has to new age DL algorithms to train supervised and unsupervised algorithms to achieve 90% accuracy. Desired candidate profile is 2 to 8 years of relevant industry experience with excellent mathematical programming and problem solving skills as well as passion for AI and research. The candidate should be an expert at analyzing large amounts of raw information to find patterns and extract valuable insights. I'm providing the link in the description box. Interested candidates can definitely apply. Now, our next job opportunity is from Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank has two different job roles. It is hiring for branch managers and customer care executives. Experience required is 3 to 8 years for branch managers and the locations for both the job roles are Vijayawada, Vishakhapatnam and Hyderabad. Let us first discuss about the job profile of branch manager. The candidate is expected to undertake development of housing loan business and provide excellent customer service. Excellent recovery management shall be performance barometer by ensuring proper quality of housing loan business. He or she is also expected to ensure proper functioning of back office and accounts and administration of retail office. Essential requirements: graduate or postgraduate, preferably from commerce background in the age group of 28 to 35 years with minimum 4 to 8 years of relevant experience. Good computer skill and local language knowledge is essential. Now for customer care executive position, job profile will be candidate is expected to assist branch in charge in sourcing of home loan, mortgages, business, credit appraisal of loan files, marketing, bank office, accounting and including recovery of home loan dues. Essential requirements for this position are graduate or postgraduate, preferably from commerce background in the age group of 25 to 30 years with minimum of 2 to 4 years of relevant experience. Fresher can also apply. Knowledge of local language and computer proficiency is essential. I am providing the link in the description box. Interested candidates can definitely apply. All the best to all the candidates. Stay tuned for more videos.